Good morning. Would you like to see what a rustic modern house looks like just 5 minutes away, walking distance from the beach? Keep tuned. Welcome back to Exclusive Property Spain. Today we are viewing this beautiful home, rustic and modern. It is literally just 5 minutes away walking from the beach. There is a train station close by that you can just hop on the train, go straight to the village. It is amazing. And just look at the size of this plot. It has a total of 3,500 square meters, 330 square meters built, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and the whole top floor is a living room. It's enormous. And just look at this terrace. If you want to live the Spanish lifestyle, rustic, and still have that modern feeling inside, this is your home. It was completely refurbished just 2 years ago. Then let's go and check it out. We walk up to the top bit of the terrace. It's where the 2 entrances are. And just look, we've got nice places to relax, a lot of tables. We are looking also straight down to the swimming pool, and we are surrounded by nature, and it is all in our plot. There is so much space in this property. We're now on another terrace with this pergola. We can also see a little bit of some sea views, but from here we can see the beautiful mountain. Just imagine here, opening the table, having a traditional paella with your family and friends. There's a barbecue on this side, and plus we're looking straight to the pool, so we can keep an eye on the kids. We walk into the kitchen. It has been completely refurbished. It's nice and open. There's the dining table on this side. And then over on the right side, there is the bedrooms. But we're going to go first to the living room that's upstairs. Nice big open space on the top floor. It is surrounded by windows, so there is completely natural light here. There's also air conditioning. Nice place to come and relax. You have this big sofa in L with the flat screen and another chill out area on this side. We come to the hallway. They've put a television and nice 2 chairs here so you can watch some TV. And then through here we go to the bedrooms. The bedrooms are a pretty good size. Just look at this. You can also, from here, you look straight out to the terrace. Check out the other rooms. This is the other entrance to the home where all of you guests would come in. As you can see, there is a lot of space. We have a closet on the right, another living room on this side, because there is a lot of places to relax in this home. And then at the far end, there is a terrace. Thank you very much for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more traditional Spanish houses like this and the lifestyle. And plus, this plot has got full of orange trees, so it's perfect to make your orange juice in the morning. See you in the next video.